Rains brought by this week's storm took down trees all across our region today and last night as well. And you know what that means. Today, crews were out there busy cutting down other trees that are in danger of falling. Many services had staff working overtime.
CBS 13's Steve Large continues our team coverage live in Sacramento with a warning from those who are out there cutting down trees. Steve?
And the National Weather Service is actually forecasting more downed trees. Gusty winds and super saturated ground make for this dangerous combination. I had an opportunity to talk to an arborist who said if you think you have a troubled tree that could come down, trust your gut. It's probably right.
Move it. When you're clear, move that.
There is no resting for Sacramento tree companies weathering their own storm of calls for service this week.
It's an awful lot of fun solving problems. That's what we do.
Jeffrey Strader runs a tree service business with 10 employees.
Crazy off the hook busy.
They are all working overtime.
It's usually very early in the morning till late in the evening.
This call is for a 50-foot tall silver maple that crashed down in the storm overnight. Uprooted from wind and rain, no one was hurt.
All of this tissue layer is dead up in here.
Strader says this tree has the telltale signs of disease, white rot.
Most likely began during the early years of our drought.
The maple would have failed an arborist risk assessment test before it came crashing down. Strader says he's getting 20 to 30% more calls this week from people concerned they need a tree removed before it's uprooted. One easy test: look closely.
Go out and walk around the tree. Look at the trunk. Do you see bark missing? Do you see holes?
This stormy weather leaving tree services scrambling to cover clients' calls.
All clear.
Trying to stay on top of Sacramento's troubled trees before they topple over. And by the way, you can find a certified arborist and a tree risk assessor by going to the website treesaregood.org.
Good advice. All right, Steve Large live in Sacramento. Steve, thank you.